Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Fred. My name is Fred Said. Today's topic is Fred, I'm getting ready to sell my home. What repairs are needed to my home before I list it? It really depends. At a basic level, you want to make to code, carbon monoxide, smoke detectors are in place, and your property shows well. Now, whether or not your home needs a lot of physical repairs outside or inside the walls, that's yet to be determined. We usually walk through a home with a seller before we even list a home to get a better idea of what they're thinking they have to fix and what we think a buyer for that type of property would want fixed as well. So in our opinion, don't spend a lot of money on your property until you speak with a brokerage like us to tell you what a buyer wants in that area. Because sometimes we have sellers that want to spend $10,000 or $15,000 fixing or repairing or upgrading certain aspects of their home that they think they can get more money for, but once we take a walk through, we let them know, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, in today's market for your type of home, that $10,000 or $15,000, we'll be lucky if we can break even in getting your money back. So reach out 7 days a week at 1-800-921-9231 to see if we can answer your questions about this whatsoever. And as always, go to fredsaidgroup.com to see all the homes for sale and listed in all of Southern California. And tune in next week for another amazing edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.